The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Texas State Government in conjunction with the Tuxedo Police Department. Officials have identified that the city of Tuxedo is no longer a safe place to live. All residents who live within the limits of Tuxedo are urged to leave their homes and structures permanently as quickly as possible. Grab all essentials necessary for survival and protection. Follow authorities towards escape routes. You must not return. Do not return to the city limits of Tuxedo. Refusal to follow orders will leave you wounded or killed. This is a mandatory evacuation.